So hi guys, today we're smashing up a little excavator piece of shit toy. Let me just do it. Yeah, it's time. Let's find the excavator. We're gonna get the excavator.
William, I keep on that pink wall, so I'm gonna climb up and smash it.
Okay, so that's his junior here. He's gonna go up on that pink wall and fuck up the excavator. So, let's watch the excavator being smashed. The excavator. So, guys. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Guys, here's another part of the video. There's the excavator. So, there's the boys. Carson, Lucas, and Junior. They're all going to be throwing bricks on this thing. Yeah, he says hello, Lucas. So let's smash up this thing. So I'm the cameraman, and they're the destroyers.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I need that back.
Let's look at that. I've got a giant. Wait a minute, let me get my friend his brick back. So there's your brick back.
I need one. I'm gonna reach that. What me? I need one. I need one. Yo, I'm gonna bath. See that cat? I'm catching one like that.
Oh,
Oh, fair.
there's the digger. Let me just adjust this bit so you can see it better.
Watch it, William.
Yeah,
He's gonna fling it. Carson's gonna fling it.
So this blue guy. Oh! Oh!
Right past me.
That was the blue guy. Right. Go on your ticket. Oh, let me nose. Oh, wait. Oh my god. It's got the friend. Oh yeah.
Wait, set the trap.
Oh, sorry guys.
Set the little thing there.
Sorry guys, you can't see him moving the tractor. The excavator.
Pass. Look, it's slow down, pass up my rock. Aye.
Oh, I'm getting this rock. Look at this. I'm putting the rock in here and then you're going to pass it up there. Okay?
Sitting there, Lucas. Carson, where are you going?
So now let me throw bricky tap.
What,
Camera.
your phone?
It's very difficult to record.
We're going to have 2 videos.
That's it.
Carson's away getting his phone.
Okay. Yeah, well, his phone's glitching out like fuck. It's kind of fucked up. Oh! I get that thing of gold, you're what? I got it. Oh! Oh! I bet that thing.
Can't wait for me.
Everybody, him and him. And I drop the brick on it. Oh! Yeah, they're just getting the bricks. He's got his brick. There's the excavator. So we're gonna smash it. Hopefully the bricks don't hit me. The bricks going, the bricks going.
I destroyed it.
Oh my god. Oh, holy shit.
I need to finish
It's fucked. It's fucked. It's fucked. It's fucked. It's fucked. The fucking thing.
just start up again.
The fucking thing. The fucking thing's mangled. I've done that.
Yo!
Oh! it's fixed now. It's fixed now. It's fixed now. The thing's fixed. The thing's not fixed. Oh, the thing's not fixed. Yeah. Hey, they're going to me. Ah! Yes, we were fucking up this fucking piece of shit. Let me do a little brick off of it.
This on video. Yeah. I'll face it to myself. You don't?
Oh! Yeah, I broke a bit off of it. Hi, Mr. Camera Guy! Stop! Don't push my phone.
Well, can you get my rock and pass it back up?
Alright, let me find your rock.
No, the one up on that wall.
Alright.
So I can finish the two.
Yeah, someone smashed up a VCR out here. Because I found a VCR lid thing. Pass up your rock. I've feet to the job. 3, 2, 1. Yes, your foot. Yeah, no, it's Lucas's shot. Oh! Hey guys, this thing's pretty mangled. Yeah, this thing's pretty mangled.
Pass it up. I'll spin it.
Oh, like, pass the excavator up. Okay, pass the excavator up. Get the excavator. Get the excavator.
Oh, look at me. I'm just too tiny little fuck. Oh, what am I going to do? Die. Yeah, right.
And I didn't actually see what
died. Yeah. Dumb technique as.
1 minute, guys, wait there. We're passing up every single bit of the excavator. Then he's chucking it. First, let me check the footage to see if I can keep my phone here. Guys. That footage good? I don't know. I don't know. Guys, wait there. Sorry guys.
No, guys.
Recording.
Yeah,
Stop
we're
recording.
gonna break that. Well, we're gonna try anyway and do it. So wait there. Yeah. He's got a good angle of it. Wait, no, is that a good angle, guys? It should. Wait there. Good. Is that a good angle? All right, good.
This is off the TV's piece of shit out there.
Oh, that's fun. So let me go and find something.
I'm going to go a stack of bricks. Guys, Lucas, you come down and give me that. First I will.
Let's go get William, guys. So I need to end.
So hi guys, today we're smashing up a TV right behind us.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's the TV.
Oh! Oh!